Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe video update today. So blood is running in with Pepe, and I've told you in the last video that even though Bitcoin is kind of looking good, but even Bitcoin right now is going down because Bitcoin has made a small fake out on the 1 hour time frame. So the expectation was 28,100 or something, and then a fake out happened. I don't know why the sell-off is happening, even though today's Monday and it doesn't really make a lot of sense on a Monday. But Mondays are more of a stop loss hunt. Maybe Tuesdays and Wednesdays may be good, but for Pepe at the moment, we've been looking at this sideways movement, and for all this sideways movement like this, we have ended up seeing Pepe pushing to the downside once again. And that's something that I've talked about in the last video, that listen, yes, Pepe is trying to climb, but we are losing Pepe at the moment. We're making a lot of fake outs. So this is not even a straight line anymore. It actually looks like a zone right over there. Okay, so what I'm going to say is the following. Since that looks like a zone, I may say this is a little bit of a continuation pattern right there, because the story is very clear. So I'm going to take that to that, and I'm going to take this to this as well. So it actually does look like the following. It's a bear flag almost, or a bearish rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch, and they pop to the downside. So at this point of time, what you can expect is the next technical target, which is going to be from there to there, and we might see Pepe coming down to this price level. That's going to be 5,418, and this is exactly the price that I've been predicting for a very, very long time. Bang on. Now, before we go down there, we may actually see one more thing. First of all, before I tell you that, is that you do have a 3 black crows, 57 more minutes to close the 4-hour candle, and you have 1, 2, 3, so 3 red candles back to back, or 3 black crows, and we may see that little bit of a push back up like that, touch it and get rejected right over here, and finally drop down. So if you see Pepe coming up here, you have that trading opportunity, and this trading opportunity may be so from there to there, we're talking about nearly 22% as your reward. So that's it for this Pepe update at the moment. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.